Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the AI shopping assistant project using Python. And we can also add the products or we can view the product database and how it works. It works on the content-based filtering and Bayesian personalized ranking. And let's getting started. Show me black dress for party. And you can ask the question like what's the difference between snookers and running shoes? Okay, just click on view database. These are the database and you can also add the new product. Like I'm adding the running shoes category, shoes, color red, occasion casual, price 5000, description. So you have to enter all those details for adding any new product. Running shoes for heavy running. Okay, in stock, and you can add the product here. So it will add in the product database. You can check out that it added. So BPR model trained successfully, and just click on refresh button. Now you can ask a product recommendation. Suggest me a red running shoes. So it will suggest that particular red shoes for sports occasion, rating, and casual occasion. So browse by category. You can show me the jeans. It will show that particular thing. Now show me outwear. You can click on shirt. So it will recommend the shirt like blue Oxford shirt. Now suggest me some clothes for vacation. Okay, like pastel blue beach outfit, and will show the rating. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.